In this video, I will show you how to add weight to individual products and products with multiple variants in Shopify. And this becomes especially important if you offer weight-based shipping rates in Shopify. So generally, the process is as follows. First, we'll log into Shopify admin account, then go to the product section. Then let's open one of the individual products like Copper Light. Then scroll a bit down till you see the shipping section, and you want to ensure to set the check mark right here. This is a physical product. And then you have an option to add weight. So first of all, let's choose the weight unit. You can use pounds, kilograms, grams, and so on. I'll just keep it in grams. And let's hypothetically assume it's 500 grams. Now let's press save, and just like that, we added the weight to individual product. If you have products with multiple variants, the process is very similar. Let me go to product section once again, and let's open this product. It has two variants. Now, once it loads, let's scroll a bit down till we see the variant section, and let's open the first variant, which is medium-sized pillow. And once again, scroll all the way to the bottom. You have an option to select this is the physical product, then add weight. Let's say 1000 grams, save changes, and we'll do the same thing for the large variant. Once again, and this is going to be 1500 grams. And that's pretty much it. And generally, you want to repeat this process for the other products in your store. So that's all for now. I hope you found this tip helpful. If you have more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.